Hello, my dear all candidates. I am Namneet from Skydream, which is situated in Puchomandi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will discuss about spelling that is challengeable for all candidates, not only in academics but also the candidate of PT and IELTS suffer a lot while making the spelling because they have a lot of confusion in their mind, like where they should go with the double spelling, where they should go with the double vowels, where they should go with ing section, where they should replace the y with ing section, where they should go with the y with I or es. So इदां दे जिन्ने भी concept हैं उन्हां दी confusion दूर करन लई I will teach you about 8 thumb rule. Today I will discuss about the first thumb rule, that is about the double portions, that how we can use in the ing section double portion of spelling while using the verb ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ double portion ਕਿਵੇਂ use ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ discuss ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. Let's go with the definition ਕਿ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੈ and ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ utilize ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. If any verb has a consonant, अगर किसी भी verb ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ consonant ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇੱਕ verb ਕੋਲੇ and just one word before consonant ਦੇ ਇੱਕ word ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ there is a vowel, अगर अपने कोले vowel होगा then the consonant become double. ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ consonant ਹੈ ਉਹ double ਬਣ ਚੁੱਕਾ like get, it is a consonant and it is a vowel, so that's why it become double. run, it is a consonant and here we have a vowel also, so running. beginning section है जेड़ा ओदे विच भी अपने कोले double section आ जाऊगा because here is a consonant and here is a vowel word also. Then after that stopping, editing. Remember one thing, हुण बहुत सारे बच्चों दे माइंड च आऊगा कि राइटिंग सेक्शन है जेड़ा ओदे नाल सिंगल टी क्यों पैंदा, डबल टी क्यों नहीं पैंदा. एडिटिंग सेक्शन दे विच जेड़ा debit or credit section है, here we have also a single t with ing. Why it come? Just because of our sounds. So vowel da matlab ये नहीं हुंदा कि vowel word only. Vowel da matlab हुंदा है we should have the sound of vowels. So remember one thing, some of exceptional case here we have a single portion in spite of having a vowel word before using the consonant portion. So here remember one thing, if we have a sound of vowel and if we have a vowel before consonant, here our consonant become a double, otherwise not. So is तरीके दे नाल this is one of the first thumb rule. In the coming days I will teach you about 8 thumb rule. In this way you can improve your spellings that are more important for getting the 7 or 8 band score in IELTS and PT. Thank you so much.